Way up high above the deserted, rusty plains of Mars, a lone sentinel orbits without rest. This is the Mars Express, a European Space Agency spacecraft sent to uncover the red planet's mysterious past. Launched back in 2003, this robotic explorer has spent almost 20 years carefully mapping Mars's surface and checking out its thin atmosphere. Armed with top-notch instruments, the Mars Express has totally changed what we know about our celestial neighbor. One of its most impressive gadgets is the high-resolution stereo camera, or HRSC for short. This powerful camera has snapped awesome pictures of Mars, showing incredibly detailed views of its surface with amazing clarity. Not long ago, the Mars Express took a picture that has shocked scientists everywhere. This picture shows a huge scar on the Martian surface, a canyon so massive that it makes even the Grand Canyon back here on Earth look tiny. This recent discovery by the Mars Express has left scientists gobsmacked. The spacecraft has taken pictures of a massive canyon system on Mars called Valles Marineris. Its size is mind-blowing, way bigger than anything on Earth. Valles Marineris is a network of connected canyons, chasms, and cracks that cut a deep gash across the Martian equator. It stretches over 4,000 kilometers long, which is longer than the whole of the United States. At its widest point, Valles Marineris is over 600 kilometers across and plunges to depths of up to 7 kilometers. Finding Valles Marineris has got the whole scientific community buzzing with excitement. Studying these layers could tell us heaps about Mars's ancient climate, whether there was water, and maybe even signs of past life. To really wrap our heads around how massive Valles Marineris is, we need to compare it to something we know, something right here on Earth. The Grand Canyon, a famous natural wonder of the world, looks tiny compared to its Martian cousin. The Grand Canyon is an impressive 446 kilometers long, but Valles Marineris is over 9 times longer. The Grand Canyon is about 1.6 kilometers deep on average, which is nothing compared to Valles Marineris, which goes 4 times deeper in some spots. Scientists reckon Valles Marineris was formed by a mix of tectonic activity, volcanic eruptions, and maybe even ancient rivers and streams. This comparison shows just how massive and impressive Valles Marineris is, a reminder of the incredible forces that have shaped Mars. The pictures taken by the Mars Express's HRSC show a landscape that's been through the ringer, shaped by forces we recognize and some that are totally alien. Valles Marineris, with its towering cliffs, deep canyons, and vast plains, is a testament to Mars's wild past. Its surface is a patchwork of volcanic eruptions, tectonic shifts, and the wearing down power of wind and maybe even water. One of the most striking things about Valles Marineris is its layered walls. These layers are like pages in a history book, recording billions of years of Martian geological activity. Scientists study these layers to understand what happened on Mars and how it changed over time. Channels and gullies, some that look like dry riverbeds, suggest that there might have been rivers and streams here a long time ago. By studying its features, scientists hope to put together the puzzle of Mars' evolution and figure out if it ever had life. Finding Valles Marineris has given scientists an amazing chance to dig into Mars's geological past. By looking at the canyon's features, researchers can put together a timeline of events that shaped the red planet over billions of years. The earliest parts of Martian history are etched into the deepest layers of Valles Marineris. These layers, which are billions of years old, tell a story of intense volcanic activity. As Mars cooled down and the volcanoes calmed down, water started to play a bigger role in shaping its surface. There's evidence that huge amounts of water once flowed across Mars, carving channels and eroding valleys. But over time, Mars lost its protective magnetic field and its atmosphere got thinner, causing its surface water to evaporate or freeze. You can see the evidence of this change in the canyon's features, from the dried-up riverbeds to the wind-sculpted rock formations. The discovery of Valles Marineris is a big deal for future Mars exploration. Its unique geological features make it a prime spot for future missions, both robotic and maybe even human ones. Exploring this massive canyon system could teach us heaps about Mars's past, present, and even if it could have supported life. One of the main goals of future missions to Valles Marineris would be to study its layered walls in detail. By figuring out what these layers are made of, scientists could get a better idea of Mars's ancient climate and what its atmosphere was like. Another interesting thing for future exploration is the search for signs of past life. Exploring Valles Marineris won't be easy, but the potential scientific discoveries make it worth it. The question of whether there was ever life on Mars has fascinated people for ages. Finding Valles Marineris, with its hints of past water activity, has made people even more curious. The search for signs of past or present Martian life is a big reason for many Mars missions. Future missions to Valles Marineris could look for biosignatures, which are chemical or physical signs that tell us if there was life in the past or present. These biosignatures could be organic molecules, fossilized microorganisms, or even isotopic ratios that are characteristic of life. Finding even the simplest forms of ancient Martian life would be massive, totally changing how we think about life in the universe. It would prove that life isn't unique to Earth and could exist on other planets, even in completely different conditions. Exploring Mars is all about discovery, a quest to unravel the mysteries of a planet that has captured our imaginations for centuries. Every mission, every image beamed back from the red planet helps us understand our celestial neighbor a little bit better. The discovery of Valles Marineris is just the latest chapter in this ongoing story. The Mars Express, with its groundbreaking discoveries, has been a key player in this journey. Future missions, kitted out with even more advanced technology, will continue to probe the red planet's secrets. Trying to understand Mars is a multi-generational effort, a journey that will continue to inspire and challenge us for decades to come. As we continue to explore Mars, we're reminded of how vast the universe is and the countless wonders it holds. Mars exploration is about to enter a new era, one that promises to be even more ambitious and groundbreaking than ever before. With advancements in technology and countries working together more and more, we're on the verge of unlocking some of the red planet's most enduring mysteries. One of the most exciting things about future Mars exploration is the possibility of sending humans there. Robotic missions have given us invaluable data, but there's nothing quite like the ingenuity and adaptability of human explorers. Future human missions to Mars could involve setting up a permanent research base, which would let astronauts study the planet's geology and atmosphere long-term. These missions could also pave the way for colonization efforts in the future, turning Mars from an alien world into a second home for humans. As well as human missions, future robotic exploration will continue to be crucial in uncovering the mysteries of Mars. Exploring Mars is more than just a science project. It's something that inspires all of humanity. The images, discoveries, and stories from the red planet capture our imaginations and make us feel a sense of wonder. The quest to understand Mars has the power to bring people together from all over the world and inspire generations to come. For young people, exploring Mars represents a future full of possibilities. It encourages them to think about careers in science, technology, engineering, and maths, STEM. What's more, exploring Mars reminds us that our own planet is fragile. This knowledge can inspire us to take better care of our planet, working together to tackle environmental challenges and create a more sustainable future. The Red Planet, once a far-off and mysterious world, is slowly revealing its secrets. The Mars Express, with its groundbreaking discovery of Valles Marineris, has given us an amazing look into the planet's wild past. Exploring Mars is all about discovery, a quest to understand our place in the universe and if there's life beyond Earth. It's a journey that has already led to incredible discoveries and promises to uncover even greater wonders in the years to come. As we continue to explore Mars, we're reminded of the power of human curiosity and our never-ending desire to learn. The Red Planet is calling, inviting us to unlock its secrets and unravel the mysteries of our solar system.